Have you ever looked at your projects folder and seen 50 directories named test, new test, and actual working test? We have all been there. Today we are looking at Try, a brilliant tool created by Shopify CEO Tobias Lutke. It is designed specifically for those beautifully chaotic minds that start a dozen experiments a week. This project gives your quick ideas a proper home without the friction of manual organization, ensuring your 2 a.m. coding sessions are never lost to the void. At its core, Try is an ephemeral workspace manager. It solves the real-world problem of directory clutter by automating the creation and navigation of experiment folders. Instead of guessing where you put that Redis test from 3 days ago, this tool manages everything in a centralized path. It is built primarily with Ruby and Shell scripts, focusing on being a zero-config, single-file solution that fits perfectly into any developer terminal workflow. The standout feature is the Smart Fuzzy Search, which uses a scoring algorithm to rank your projects. It includes auto-dating for folder names, so every experiment is prefixed with the current date for easy chronological sorting. You also get instant Git integration, allowing you to clone repositories directly into these temporary vibes. It effectively translates the messy process of just trying something out into a structured, searchable, and time-aware system. Looking at the code base, it is a lean mix of Shell and Ruby. Shell makes up about 60% of the repo, handling the deep system integration and alias wrappers, while Ruby provides the heavy lifting for the TUI and logic. This choice reflects a focus on portability and speed. By using Ruby, the project avoids complex dependencies while maintaining a high level of expressiveness for the UI, making it easy for anyone with a standard Unix environment to run it instantly. The repository structure is refreshingly minimal. The logic lives in a primary Ruby script, while the bin directory houses the execution wrappers. You will find a dedicated folder for shell completions and a small set of assets for the documentation. This flat and transparent hierarchy makes it easy for developers to audit the code or even hack on the fuzzy matching algorithm. Everything is organized around the goal of being a lightweight utility rather than a heavy framework. The project shows high momentum with nearly 100 commits and a recent surge in activity. It has matured quickly from a personal script into a community-supported tool. The commit history reveals a rapid refinement of the TUI and Shell integration. With over 2,600 stars, it is clear that the developer community has found high value in this utility, and the frequent updates signal a project that is very much alive and evolving based on user feedback. What is interesting here is the collaborative nature of the project. While it started with Toby, you will see contributions from several other developers and even AI-assisted refinements. This diversity in the contributor graph signals strong reliability. It is not just a solo project, it is a battle-tested tool used by high-profile engineers. This collective maintenance ensures that edge cases in different shell environments are quickly caught and patched. In practice, you just type try, followed by an idea name. If the directory exists, you are taken there instantly. If not, it is created with today's date. Developers use this for testing new libraries, spiking out bug fixes, or cloning a repo they only need to look at for 5 minutes. Because it uses a path like sort trees, your main workspace stays clean while your experiments remain indexed and accessible whenever you need to jump back into a specific vibe. If you are a developer who suffers from project folder fatigue, this repository is absolutely worth your attention. It is a small tool that solves a massive cognitive overhead problem. You can explore the source, star the repo, or even contribute a new feature. Go ahead and give your experiments the home they deserve. Check out the link in the description to start organizing your chaotic coding sessions today. Stop losing your coding experiments in a sea of to-test1 and temp folders. In this video, we explore Try, an ephemeral workspace manager by Tobias Lutke. We break down its smart fuzzy search, automatic date prefixing, and seamless shell integration. Whether you're spiking a new feature or testing a library, learn how this lightweight Ruby tool keeps your file system clean and your ideas searchable. Perfect for developers who love to experiment without the organizational headache.